Hello everyone, our super hot summer sale is still live, and this beautiful necklace in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis, which is for 89,000 rupees. You can get this at just 80,000 rupees only. Just look at the quality making craftsmanship of this beautiful necklace. The green and pearl combination is looking very pretty. This necklace is accompanied by these earrings. If you want to buy, you can directly buy from our website. Link is given in bio, www.rajamshop.com. And this necklace comes with lab certificate and hallmarking. Thank you. Are you looking for designer gold jewelry under 1 lakh? Then just have a look. What a fresh combination of colors. This is 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. And this long necklace is very beautiful with pink and green combination colors. This is a very unique combination of colors and it goes with all outfits and it looks very beautiful. Just have a look at the quality and making the diamond polkis. Look at the shine. And this is a very beautiful piece in just under 1 lakh. And we have one more color variation in the same piece. Just have a look. The same necklace we have made with green and pearl combination. And these are the earrings with this necklace. So these are very beautiful necklaces and these are fresh in our collection under 1 lakh. And if you want to buy this, you can directly DM us or shop from our website. Link is given in bio, www.rajamshop.com. We provide lab certificate which state that these are natural diamond polkis with hallmark gold jewelry. We also provide premium box packaging, free shipping and cash on delivery across India, and worldwide shipping is also available. So DM us. For more content like this, follow Rajams. Thank you. Since wedding season is round the corner, so we are here with this beautiful 18 karat gold hallmark necklace with natural certified diamond polkis. Just look at the pearl and green beads combination on this necklace and look at the quality of polka. It is amazing. This is a perfect, beautiful statement choker necklace which can go with all of your outfit. So if you want to buy this, you can directly DM us. We provide premium box packaging and lab certificate with this. We also offer free shipping across India and also cash on delivery with certain token amount advance. So if you want to buy, you can directly DM us. For more content like this, follow Rajams. Thank you. This ring, which is made in 22 karat hallmark gold, is just for 20,000 rupees only. Yes, look at the beautiful Lakshmi Ji temple ring and it has enameling added back side, and this ring has adjustable band, so you can wear it in any finger and also you can gift this to someone. Just have a look. This is a beautiful 22 karat hallmark gold ring and just for 20,000 rupees only. And we have one more in our collection. This is again another ring and the price of this ring is 20,000 rupees only. This is also 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. Just have a look at this ring. Both rings are adjustable. You can wear it in any finger. The price of this ring is 20,000 rupees only and this is for 21,000 rupees. These both rings are hallmarked and you will get certificate with them. If you want to buy, directly DM us or you can directly buy from our website also. Thank you.